Are you ready to witness the future of furniture production? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of automated furniture high-gloss element production. Imagine a world where every piece of furniture has that perfect, glossy finish. That world is not far off thanks to the innovative technology of automatic polishing machines. These machines are equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and precision tools that can effortlessly polish furniture high-gloss elements to perfection. The process is not only efficient but also ensures consistency and quality. From coffee tables to cabinets, these machines can polish a wide range of furniture pieces with ease. No more manual labor or uneven finishes, just flawless high gloss every time. So next time you see a piece of furniture with a stunning high gloss finish, remember the intricate process that goes into its production. It's all thanks to the magic of automatic polishing machines. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more behind-the-scenes looks at innovative production processes.